In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to set up a clear, reliable forecast using your existing data. First, open QuickBooks Online Advanced and look to the left panel. Click on Financial Planning, then open the Forecasts tab. This is your central hub for all the things forecasting. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in the advanced version and that you have permission to access financial planning features. Next, click Create Forecast. This button starts a new forecast from scratch. You'll now be guided through a setup panel where you define the focus and the data behind your forecast. Start by choosing what the forecast is for. Think of this as the scope or category you want to predict, like revenue, expenses, or another area your company tracks. Picking a clear focus makes your forecast easier to interpret and share. Then choose what the forecast is using. This tells QuickBooks how to build the projection, whether it should rely on trends, patterns, or other available methods provided in your setup options. You'll also select what actuals it is using from. This means the historical data QuickBooks will analyze to extrapolate forward. As a tip, pick a period that reflects your normal operations. If you have seasonal swings, include at least a full year so those ups and downs are captured. If you had an unusual month, consider whether including it will skew the trend. Optionally, you can set rules for the forecast. Rules are assumptions that tell QuickBooks how to extend your numbers, like applying a monthly growth rate, adjusting for seasonality, or setting changes for specific timeframes. Keep these assumptions realistic and tied to known drivers in your business, such as planned marketing increases or cost changes. You can always refine these rules later if your plans evolve. When everything looks good, select Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply your selections and create the forecast based on your chosen actuals and any rules you added. This part is quick, but it's powered by the historical data you provided, so the more relevant your inputs, the better your results. And that's all. You will now see your forecast on the Forecasts tab. From here, you can open it to review the projections, compare them to your ongoing actuals, and make adjustments as your assumptions change. Keep your inputs current, revisit rules when your strategy shifts, and your forecast will remain a practical tool to guide decisions in QuickBooks Online Advanced.